Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing deliberately. Wash your hands for 20 seconds and dry them so you won't transfer germs. Once done, confirm the bottle is the right medication, intact, and not expired. This prevents irritation or reduced effect. Now tilt your head back or lie down and look at the ceiling, because steady gaze keeps the eye open. Make sure to remove soft contacts unless the label says otherwise. This protects both the contact and the eye. You now perform the key motion. Use your index finger to pull the lower lid down and create a small pocket. That gives a target for the drop. Hold the bottle 1/2 to 3/4 inch from your eye. Steady your hand against your cheek to prevent accidental contact. Squeeze out a single drop. One is usually enough because tears distribute medication. Make sure not to touch the bottle tip to your eye or lashes. This avoids contamination and infection, so keep it steady and calm. Once the drop lands, close your eyes gently for 1 to 2 minutes and look down. This spreads the medication evenly. While closed, press the nasolacrimal duct at the inner corner for about 30-60 seconds to reduce systemic absorption. This improves local efficacy and safety. Blot away excess with a tissue, and if you need a second eye medication, wait 5 to 10 minutes. If severe stinging, increased redness, or vision changes occur, stop and contact a clinician immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.